wasn't gonna make a video. Maar ek moes. Die Here was so goed vandag vir my. Ons was in die mees terribelste ongeluk. And I'm really just crying because I'm grateful. Dit kon so anders gewees het. Ja, as ek nou kyk en ek sit like ek daar, dan weet ek ons leef, maar ek weet, dit is die Here se genade. I don't know what happened. It was alles so vinnig. I remember driving and Tori said it was thirsty, so I was drinking a appetizer. And I handed the cold drink to him to the back. And I don't know what happened. Maar toe ek weer kyk, toe ek op die gravel en I just lost control and the car rolled. And all I did was in that moment, I was just praying. I was just praying. I can't explain the fear that I had because I literally expected the worst because of the impact. I thought, what if my kids, all of them died? And I remember crawling out of the car because it was on its roof. And I was just looking for my kids and I hugged them. I sat on the floor in the glass and I just hugged them. And I was just thanking Jesus for sparing my babies. I didn't even feel any pain at that moment. My knees are pretty bad. It's cut up and I have this huge hematoma on my head. They did some scans and x-rays and it looks okay. I will just have to follow up for wound care for my knees, but other than that we are fine and my kids are fine. Tova has like 1 or 2 scratches, but that's it. No one else was injured. It is regtig net Here en dis hoekom ek huil, like dankie Jesus. Want ons moes hier vandag hier gesit het, ek moes hier vandag hier gesit en 'n video gemaak het. But here we are. Grace kept us. I'm just so grateful. Yeah. So I just wanted to update you guys. I had an influx of messages and I appreciate and love all of you. But it's impossible to get to every message. So I'm just saying thank you from the bottom of my heart for praying for us. And just, words of encouragement and your concerns. It really means a lot to me and my husband and our whole family. He wasn't in the car. He actually went to work with the car this morning. He brought it back home so we could go and do our campaigns, and the kids were so excited because we were going to take them to the ice rink as well. And he Ubered back home. Yella, when it happened, I'm sorry, to be in anyone, whoever you are, thank you. Sulke goeie Samaritane. Someone picked my phone up and asked me would they get phone. The one lady picked up the babies and just held them tight. They asked if there's any stuff that I could get out of the car. They moved us to a safer spot. A guy came with water and cokes and stuff. I was just, wow, humanity still exists. En ek is net baie dankbaar vir ook al wie ook al die mense was, of as julle van hulle ken, dankie. Uit my hart uit baie dankie, en dat julle so mooi na ons en ons kinders gekyk het. Maar ja, we are here, we are just gonna take it easy and recover and get well. Ek dink het dalk ook net 'n moment nodig gehad om te pause. That sometimes weird things happen. But sometimes God allows things to happen for you to just take a seat back and reflect, So I'm not taking this lightly. It should have been different. We shouldn't have been alive. Maar die Here is nie klaar met ons nie. Like he has a plan and I'm more convinced now than ever before.